Inshallah, this is the class of straight lines, very short question answers. We are continuing the third part. This is the third part. Now, already we have done 20 questions. Now, let me continue this one. See here, before going to the questions, suppose we are having a line. Suppose this line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So, any line parallel to this can be taken as ax plus by. X and y term will be same. Constant plus k we can write. Okay. In the same way, suppose a line is here ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now the perpendicular line can be taken as bx minus ay. Bring this b here, bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. So you must by heart these values. Now see here, two formulas are written on the board. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the, equation of the straight line parallel to x plus by plus c equals to 0 is ax plus by plus k equals to 0, and perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. So let us start now. Find the equation of the straight line parallel to this. So how can we take? Let the equation of straight line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. These two values will be same, ax plus by c, 2x plus 3y. Now let me take constant k equals to 0. Note this as 1. How to find k? One more condition is given, and passing through the point. Suppose if we substitute this point 5 comma 4, we'll get the value of k. 2 into x value is 5 plus 3 into y value is 4 plus k equals to 0. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 3 4s are 12, 22. Bring this 22 on the other side, it will be minus 22. So you substitute the value of k here, you will get the equation of line. So equation of line will be 2x plus 3y. The value of k is minus 22 equals to 0. This is the required equation. Let me do one question on based on perpendicular. See here. Now next question. Find the equation of the straight line perpendicular to. How to start? Let me start like this. Let the equation of straight line perpendicular to perpendicular to 5x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 is, what's the formula we have written for perpendicular? Bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. Now see here, compare what is here ax plus by. A value is 5 and b value is minus 3. So substitute here b. B is minus 3, minus 3x minus a. A is 5y plus k equals to 0. Let me take minus common. If you take minus common, this minus will become plus, this minus will become plus, and this plus will become minus equals to 0. Let me note this as 1. Now how to find k? It is given that this line passes through the point. So let me substitute the point. We will get the value of k. Substituting 4 comma minus 3. So let me substitute here 3 into x. The value of x is 4 plus 5 into the value of y is minus 3 minus k equals to 0. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Bring this minus 3 on the other side. Minus k equals to 3. So k will be minus 3. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Minus 3 on the other side plus 3. To bring this minus here, it will be k equals to minus 3. Now substitute in the equation. Required equation is. So what will be the required equation? Substitute the value of k. 3x plus 5y minus k is minus 3. Again minus on us, plus 3 equals to 0. Now we already know that if we are having 2 points of a line, suppose this is point x1 y1, this is point x2 y2. Now how to find the equation? One of the form of the equation is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This formula is for equation of line when 2 points are given. So what is the question here? Watch carefully. Show that the points are collinear and find the equation of the straight line. What are the points? Collinear points. Points lying on the same line. Points lying on the same line are called collinear. We have to prove that these 3 points 1 comma 11, 2 comma 15 and minus 3 comma minus 5 are collinear. Also one more thing, also we have to find the equation of line. Let me do one thing. We first take these 2 points and find the equation. After that, let me substitute this value. If this point satisfies the equation, that means if we keep x value minus 3, y value minus 5 must satisfy the equation, that is equals to 0. Then we can say this point lies on the same line, that is the points are collinear. So let me start using these 2 points to find the equation x1 x1 y1 x2 y2. Let given points be, let we denote this by a b c. Okay, so equation of ab is, so how can we write y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now let me substitute the values. Y minus y1, y1 is 11, y2 minus y1 5 minus 11 by x2 minus x1 2 minus 1, x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 is 1, x1 is 1. So let me solve this one. So what will happen here, watch carefully. This will become y minus 11 equals to 5 minus 11 is minus 6 by 1 is minus 6 into x minus 1. So we multiply this, so y minus 11 equals to minus 6x minus 1 is plus 6. Bring to one side, minus 6x on this side will become plus 6x plus y. Plus 6 here, it will become minus 6. Minus 6 minus 11 will be minus 17 equals to 0. So this is the required equation. Now we have to see whether this point lies on this line or not. For that we have to substitute minus 3 comma minus 5. If we get this value equals to 0 after substituting, that means this point also lies on the same line. We can say collinear. If this doesn't satisfy the equation, we said that the points are not collinear. Now let me substitute this one. 6 into minus 3, 6 into minus 3 minus 5 minus 17 equals to 0. So here you see we have done a little mistake. This is 2 comma 15. This is 2 comma 15. So this will be changed. 2 comma 15 means this point will be 15. So 15 minus 14. So 15 minus 11 is 4. So y minus 11 equals to 4 into x minus 1. Now let me multiply this one. Okay, I'm writing this here. Y minus 11 equals to 4x minus 4. Bring this here. 4x plus 1 on the other side minus y. Minus 11 here plus 11. 11 minus 4 is 7 equals to 0. Now let's substitute the next value. What is the next value here? Substituting minus 3 comma minus 5. So 4 into, in place of x we must write minus 3. So this will be 4 into minus 3 minus 5 plus 7. Plus into minus minus 12 minus 1 is plus 5 plus 7. So this will become 12 minus 12 0. Therefore, third point satisfies the equation, of line. Therefore, all the points lie on the same line. Therefore, same line. Therefore, the points are collinear. Now see the next question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points. 2 points are given. Therefore, the equation of straight line is y minus y1. This is y1 equals to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 is a t2 square minus x1 is a t1 square into x minus x1 a t1 square. Now let me solve this one. Y minus 2a t1 equals to, you take common here 2a. If you take common 2a, what is left here? t2 minus t1. You take common a here, what will be left? t2 square minus t1 square into x minus a t1 square. Now let me do one thing. This a will get cancelled. Now this is the formula we can use, a square minus b square. So this will be a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So let me continue like this. Y minus 2a t1 equals to 2 into t2 minus t1 divided by this a square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b into x minus a t1 square. Now this t2 minus t1 cancel, this will get cancelled. Now bring this here, it will be y minus 2a t1 into t1 plus t2 equals to, multiply this 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into a is 2a t1 square. Now let me do one thing, you multiply this, I'm writing this like this, y into t1 plus t2. So we multiplied y with this one. Now you multiply this minus into plus minus, 2a t1 into t1 will be 2a t1 square, minus into plus minus 2a t1 into t1 2 t1 square, minus into plus minus 2a t1 into t2 t1 equals to 2x minus 2a t1 square, minus 2a t1 square plus will get cancelled. Now let me write the last step, you write first 2x. Now bring this on the other side, will be minus, I'm writing like this, t1 plus t2 into y. This on the other side is minus. Now also bring this here, minus 2 on the other side will be plus 2a t1 t2 equals to 0. Now see here, find the sum of the squares of the intercepts made by the line. Let me find the intercepts. What is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b equals to 1. So we have to make this one. So divide by 12 all the terms. So this will become x by 3. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Bring this minus here. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Write this minus here. We can write like this. Plus y by minus 4 equals to 1. So therefore x-intercept equals to 3. Y-intercept equals to minus 4. X by a plus y. This is x-intercept. This is y-intercept. What is the question here? Sum of the squares of intercepts. Therefore, sum of squares of intercepts equals to 3 square plus minus 4 square. This is nothing but 25. 9 plus 16 is 25. Now see the next question. Suppose there is a line here. We are having ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So this line, it makes a triangle with coordinate axis. So to find this area, one thing is we can find the x-intercept, y-intercept. This will become base, this will become height. So we can use the formula half into base into height. Otherwise, area delta can be given directly as c square by 2 into mod AB. We can use also the direct formula c square by 2 into mod of AB. So what is given here? Given line is 3x minus 4y plus 12 equals to 0. Find the area with it makes with the coordinate axis. So we can use the direct formula, area comma delta equals to c square by 2 into mod AB. Now watch here, this is a, this is b, this is c. C means 12 square, divided by 2 into mod a is 3, b is minus 4. This will be 144 divided by 2 into mod y we have taken because area cannot be negative. So mod of minus 12 will be plus 12. So this will be 12 ones are 12, 12s are 144, 2 ones are 2, 6 are. So this will become 6 square units. For area we have to use the word square units. Now see the next question. Find the value of a if the area of the triangle formed by the line x equals to 0 is nothing but y-axis. This is x equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is nothing but x-axis. And the line. So line is 3x plus 4y minus a equals to 0. So given line is 3x plus 4y minus a equals to 0. Also area is given. What is the area here? 6 square units. Formula of area is c square by 2 into mod AB. So this will be 6. Now let us substitute the value of c. A, B, C. C is minus a whole square. 2 into mod of a is 3 into b is 4 equals to 6. Minus square will be plus a square. 6 into, bring this here. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So a square equals to 24 carry 2, 14, 144. So if you take out square here, you can apply plus or minus under root. A equals to plus or minus root of 144. Whenever we take out square from one side, we have to apply plus or minus root on the other side. So this a will become plus or minus root 144 is 12. Now see the next concept. Suppose there is a line. ax plus by plus c equals to 0, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. And there are 2 points, one point is x1 y1 and the second point is x2 y2. Now if you join this one, we can say this line divides this line joining the points x1 y1 x2 y2. Suppose we have to find the ratio in which the line divides the joint of these 2 points. For that we are having the formula ratio equals to minus of L1 L2 by L1 L1 L11 by L2. What does it means? Minus of L11 means we have to substitute this point in the line, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c. L22 means we have to substitute this point ax2 plus by2 plus c. So if the ratio finding, we are finding that the ratio is minus L11 by L22. If the ratio is positive, then we say that the point lies on the either side, one point here, one point here. But if the ratio is negative, that means both the points lies on the same side of the line. Both the points lies on the same side. If the ratio is positive, then the points lies on other sides. If the ratio is negative, then the points lies on the same side. So let me do one question here. Find the ratio. So what is the formula of ratio? Let me denote L as the line. 2x plus 5y minus 5 equals 2x plus 3y. So we have to find ratio. The formula for ratio is minus L11 by L22. Minus L11 means we have to substitute this point. So this will be 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 5. L11 means the first point we are substituting. Now L22 means we have to substitute this point. So this will be 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1 minus 5. Let us solve this one. 0, 0, leave this one. Minus 1 is plus 5 divided by 3 minus 4 is minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Right, minus on the side. So ratio is minus. If the question is asked whether the point lies on the same side or opposite, if the ratio is negative, then we can say that the point lies on the same side. Now see the next question. State whether the points lies on the same side or opposite side of the line. See here, these are the points, this is the line. Let me find the ratio. If ratio is positive, that means the points lies on the opposite sides. If the ratio is negative, then the points lies on the same side. So what is the formula of ratio? Minus L11 by L22. Minus L11 means we are substituting the first point. So this will become 2 into 3 x coordinate minus 3 into 2 plus 4. L22 means we have to substitute the second point, 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 4. Let me solve this one. 2 3s are 6 plus 6 minus 6 cancel. What is left here? Minus 4 divided by. Now see here. 3 3s are 9 minus into 1 is plus 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So the ratio is negative. That means points lies on the same side. Points lie on same side of line. Same side of line. Now let me do one more question here. See here. The last question that will be this one. Find the equation of the line passing through the point and making xy intercepts in the ratio 2 is to 3. Let me take like this, watch carefully. Let the equation of line, see what is the ratio 2 is to 3. Let x intercept, I am taking it like this, 2a, y intercept, let me take this as 3a, because if you take the ratio 2a is to 3a, a will get cancelled, the ratio will be 2 is to 3. So let me take the ratio as 2a is to 3. X intercept 2a, y intercept 3. So what will the equation of line? Equation of line, when intercepts are given, we can write like this, no? X by a is x intercept is 2a plus y by b is y intercept 3a equals to 1. If you take LCM, what will be the LCM? 6a. 2 3s are 6a. Now see here, 2 3s are, no? 2a into 3 will be 6a. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 2s are 2 into y, 2y equals to 1. Bring the 6x 6a on the other side, it will be 3x plus 2y equals to 6a. Now how to find a? We have to substitute the point. We get the value of a. Substituting, it passes through the point. Let me substitute this one. 3 into x is 3 plus 2 into y is minus 4 equals to 6a. So what is here? 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 equals to 6a. Therefore, a equals to 1 by 6. Now let's substitute here. So it will become 3x plus 2y equals to 6 into a is 1 by 6. 6 is cancelled. What we get? 3x plus 2y. Bring this minus 1 here equals to 0. So the ratio is, sorry, the equation of line is 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So we have done few questions on based on 2 marks questions from the straight lines. Let we continue in the next class.